This video, we are expected to solve for the value of x in 8 power x plus 1 is equals to 448. But first thing we observe, can we actually make the basis to be the same? No, because 448 cannot be expressed in powers of what? 8. So what do? We introduce logarithm. So you know that we have to take the logarithm of both sides. Log of 8 power x plus 1 is equals to the log of 448. Okay? From the laws of logarithm, we are free to multiply the power of the number in the log to the logarithm. Okay? So this now allows us to multiply x plus 1 to what? Log 8. Okay? And this is equal to log 448. Good. This one doesn't have power, so no need of multiplying. Then the next thing we do is to open the bracket. We use log 8 to multiply each time in the box. So log 8 times x will give you x log 8. Then log 8 times 1 will give you plus log 8. And this is equals to log 448. Okay? Then the next thing we do is to subtract log 8 from both sides. If you do that, you see that x log 8 is equal to log 448 minus log 8. Okay? So now you can now see that this term is in the same base, log and log. That's the log of base 10. And we have a number. Another rule of logarithm suggests that whenever we are subtracting logarithms in the same base, we can simply divide the numbers. So we can now have that x log 8 is equal to log of 448 divided by 8. Okay? So this will give us that x log 8 is equal to log what? Is equals to log 56. Good. Then the next thing we do is that we divide by log 8, and we also have to divide this side by log 8. So that log 8 will actually be r. So that you see log of 56 divided by log 8. 56 can be seen as 8 times 7, right? So we can now say that x is equals to log of 8 times 7, then divided by log 8. So, and whenever we are multiplying numbers in logarithm, we can now split it to be log 8 plus log 7, all divided by log 8. Okay? Let's separate the fraction. This can now be seen as log 8 over log 8, then plus log 7 over log 8. Okay? So that if this cancels out, we now have our x to be equal to 1 plus log. That x is now equal to 1 plus the denominator becomes the base, and the number in. So the answer to this